I know you're a busy guy, but I am dying to get your autograph. Okay. Who are you? What's the game? There's no point keeping up the act with me. The question is, who are you? But I should warn you, your makeup's rubbing off. This is a trick. How are you doing this? Answer me!
Hey, Ricky White, can you tell us what this means when you give the hand signals?
That means let's start our burnout, get ready to go.
Okay, so when you do that, you want them to start their burnout. When you do this, that means
hold up. Either my man's on the track, my starter's getting something off of the track, or we're waiting for the cars to get off of the track.
And when you tell them to...
When I tell them to come on, that means come on and bring them on up. Bring them up to the water box.
All right, guys, check it out. We got a treat with an inside scoop of Xtreme. We got the man himself. Grim is here. Grim, tell us about the tree and what's going on. What's that thing in your hand, Grim?
Pretty much this is a switch. What the switch does is once that bulb right there in the middle of the tree, once it starts blinking, that means the tree's ready to be activated.
But what's the difference between a pro tree and a full tree?
The difference between a pro tree is pretty much you have pre-stage, stage. After that, you're gonna have one yellow bulb and then instant green. Now a full tree is gonna be pre-stage, stage, and then 3 yellows and then a green. Pretty much I'm waving the car up so where they're getting ready to do their burnout. Drivers, they're usually trying to get the hang of the tree. Some of the times they'll go ahead and try to pull up with a back tire. Therefore, I'll go ahead and bring them back so they can properly stage.
Okay, so if you notice, guys, he's looking on the side of the window. It has a number and has a PT. That stands for Pro Tree. That means that he's gonna change it to a Pro Tree. Now he's gonna bring him up until the first bulb lights. Then the guy's gonna light the second bulb, and then he's gonna control the buttons. And it's go. Hey Grim, how do you get a job at a drag strip like this?
It's hard to say. I mean, I've been working for a few drag strips. At first, I started off with Kennedale, and then after that, went to Denton, and then with the closing of Kennedale, we ended up building this track. Luckily,
so I take it your ears are used to this.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So that means you can't hear shit, right?
More or less, half the time, yes.
All right, guys, there he is, the man himself, the myth, the legend, Galen Smith.
No.
Grim, what's your job when you're in this car?
Pretty much my job is to code and check in vehicles. Usually if they don't have a number on their vehicle, I'll code and just use the tech card number that's given to me. After that, I just write it down on here, which is 699. And he's going to be running a Pro Tree in no time.
And do you also inspect the car, look it over, make sure it can go down the track safe?
Yes, sir, absolutely. Make sure their safety equipment's proper, make sure they're buckled up, make sure they have helmets, all that good stuff. This one makes it a little bit fun for all of us. If they're dripping, I'll go ahead and pull them off to the side, go ahead and stop them, do a vehicle check underneath, the engine, make sure it's not dripping. If it's dripping a lot of fluid, then yes, obviously I have to tell them that we cannot allow them on the drag strip. But otherwise than that, I mean, you really can't tell just by looking at a vehicle. I mean, you could have a vehicle that really doesn't look the best, but at the same time could be the fastest vehicle on the track.
Hey, guys, we heard it from Graham. All right, guys, thanks, Graham.
Yes,
Peace.
sir. You take care.
Jason, tell us about this bad Buick T-Type.
87 Buick Regal Limited, bench seat column shift car, pump gas on alky, pump spraying alky.
Man, I love this car. You know, I used to have a 20th anniversary 89 turbo Trans Am. So I have a big love for these, and I was actually looking for one of these, couldn't find it, and I bought the turbo Trans Am back then, and I later ended up selling it. You know the story. You hate that you ever sold it, but man, it is fast. So you're running it on alcohol, correct?
Yep. We're spraying methanol.
Okay, so you're spraying methanol.
Right now I'm pretty consistent with 675. So
Wow, 675s. What a beast! What a beast! Have you done anything to the suspension?
a lot of the weight on this car is in the front, so we tried to get rid of that. I've got a HR parts bar, a stabilizer in the bar, it keeps me launched straight.
Yeah.
I did do an upper support for the rear strut mounts or the rear shock mounts. T-body shuffle to try to get rid of all of that stuff. But I'm not pushing this car real hard just yet.
Beautiful car, brother. Hey, I appreciate it. Appreciate the race.
You don't look so good.
Leave me alone! kill you.
Billy, I want to know what happened.
You're interrupting these guys.
Oh, don't worry about them guys. Them guys ain't talking about Jackety Jack. Cracker Crack, what happened, man?
I don't know, man. I went sideways hard.
You went sideways?
Yeah, I got back in it, but now they're knocking it back in.
Oh, man, hey, look, Billy, do you mind telling what time you've been running today?
I ran a 6-1.
I thought you ran like a 5.8. Somebody told me you ran a 5.8 on one of your times.
That was on one of them, yeah.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't a 5.8.
Oh, I thought you was running the 5.
No, 5.96.
Shut up! Stop that! Stop! Hey, you see what I'm dealing with? You see what I'm dealing with? You see what you see what the soul snatcher dealing with, right? Now he got up there with me and he done went sideways. Yeah. That's all it takes, man. If you mess up on the tree with me, I'm gonna get you.
Yeah, I think my launch RPM was a little too high, and it spun, then hooked, and went sideways.
Now, did you foot brake or did you trans brake?
Foot brake.
Guess what I did? You know I trans brake though.
Yeah, I heard you.
He heard me up there stuttering. Ah!
I jacked it up. I don't see anything broken.
Well, hey, talk to me and tell me what have you done to your Demon to make it run so fast? Because I know you mod every car you get, you mod. So what all mods have you done to make it run like this?
A little bit of this and a little bit of that. I still got a warranty right now, so I'm not discussing.
A little bit of berries and juices is what he did to his car.
I still got warranty right now, so I'm not saying.
Okay, well, then we don't need to talk about it. Hey guys, let me let y'all take a look at it. Now, what do you call this car right here? The other one was called the Demon Killer if I snatched his soul. Now, what do you call this one here?
You know what? She doesn't have a name. It's just.
It can't be Cannibal.
I haven't named it yet.
Okay. Hey guys, look at this. What he got on his fuel tank. I like this right here. That's nice.
Yeah, you're way overdue for that.
Yeah, I need that, man. Hey, guys, here's his YouTube channel, DFW Speed. Must be nice. Run them. Welds.
Yep, Welds.
Beadlocks. Yep. What do you think about these new 315 5017s? What's your thought on them?
This is only my second time at the track, and obviously I kind of went a little sideways, so they hook pretty hard. Yeah.
Hey, let me let you in on a secret. Those stock wheels, well, you already know, Billy, ain't no secret to you. Hell, they heavy as hell. Now, see, you got your Simpson helmet.
Yep, Simpson helmet. I got my fire jacket. I just need some gloves.
You know, this is the thing for gloves with us. We have so much to press on the screen, we're gonna have to cut one of the fingers. So, yeah, because I put on a set of gloves and I tried to, and it just would not respond. I couldn't do my line.
That's what I'm getting used to, is all the shit you gotta do. Line lock, make sure your high octane's on, make sure your drag motor's on.
Well, now, do you still use high octane if they go, like if a person does an E85 tune, can they still use high octane? Does that give them like the tune for the E85?
Right. I mean,
and then if they're not running E85, they can just turn it off and just run regular?
You know, that would be a question for a tuner. I'm not exactly sure on that one, but I know that high octane, all it's doing is bumping the ignition timing up.
Yeah, it's listen for the knock.
And all it does is listening for knocks. I mean, you could have, you know, if you wanted to have a tune that was, if you had lower quality E85 during the summer, E85 percentage is higher.
Okay.
And in the winter it goes down. So if you're testing your fuel and you have your tuner give you a tune for like low quality E85, high quality E85, and that way you're pretty much running high octane all the time because the 85 gives you that all the time.
Right.
Your tuner can tune for low octane or low percentage and high percentage.
Okay. All right, brother. Hey, man, I'm going to let you get on. Hey, guys, look at this bad Durango DFW Speed has. Come on, man. Keep it in the family. Unlike my wife, got a damn Lexus 300. Man, we don't even want to talk about it, Billy. I tried to get in a track house. She got in a Lexus. Look at her. See, that's a good wife right there. Now I'm going to get in trouble. You know, loving this Durango. Wow. Take care, brother. See you on the track. Peace.
But he looked like me. I no understand. How could he? I'm Superman. Me.
Me.
What's happening to him? Why isn't he following my orders?
I warned you. It must be breaking down.
All right, guys, so the good thing about the Demon is that if it breaks down, you can call the shop, it's factory, and it's all under warranty, and they should take it back and they should get it fixed. So that's the good thing about the Demon. So I was telling them, one good thing about the Demon is everything's is under warranty. If it's stopped, you call it in, they can come out, pick it up with a tow truck, and then they take it to the dealership and they get it fixed.
Thankfully, I have my wife here, so I don't have to ride with a tow driver. But
yeah, well, there you go, brother. But hey, man, we'll see you later on. Keep us updated on what's going on.
Right, man.
Take care, brother. All right.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.